Okay, naran to discuss my minor. Yun ang key players that I'm being a day I participate and take part in the DNA replication. Get the semi-conservative DNA replication. The players the one of the enzyme I cover the DNA can twist the DNA. The enzyme by heligase. Nga may the one of the enzyme may daw pa ekibasing da para akin the clip at the may mine. The enzyme ayo like topoisomerase and I had a camera what the coil the super coil and I had and I put the DNA okay but the DNA or coiled okay then single stranded binding proteins yakadaya na kampanya na tayo may I get on proteins and I had a stabilized replication fork. I don't know my minor. Okay, the way they open up and open up the DNA strand. The way they are the way but the replication fork. Right? The way the single stranded binding proteins by stabilized. Okay, and a tawat the bayan and dare banaki and aku rocky and aki. Naki get the kind the single-stranded binding proteins can be stabilized in the replication fork. You got the enzyme with the primase. I'm moving on the lagging strand. I had the enzyme, but I had to hide the non-primus. Okay, the non-primus and non-sequences, like the non-sequences in nucleotide sequences, like on the lagging strand. Okay. Ring about a primus again and why booking about available with the 3' end to get the free 3' end beyond the lacking strand. I had a Hakatognan primus again by and continue the DNA synthesis. And then the Makuri the Bayade Harawa the Bayane, the Hakatognan primus again the enzyme and but the primase. Again the polymerase number 3, the polymerase 3 enzyme. I had been synthesized in new DNA strands. Okay, DNA polymerase 1, and I'm worried about remove the RNA primer and add the non-DNA bases. The one base at a time. The one I mean the one at the base. I mean the one. The DNA ligase, and I had to repair the non-Okazaki fragments. Okay, I had a automate and fragments again beyond the lacking strand. Ring about it. Beginning to get the DNA synthesis beyond the lacking strand. I had the DNA. I had to get the non-fragments. I had but the non-Okazaki fragments. I got the MAC and fragments again. You don't the enzyme had but the DNA ligase. I'm going to get an oligonucleotide. Triphosphates like I'm in the cell the nucleotides triphosphate molecules like I'm in the cell like when the bay on by beyond the non-template strands okay the old strands and the lacking strand the lacking strand and the leading strand by that they get the DNA strand okay so now I'm in booking the new DNA strand. Okay, and the oligonucleotides,